Today we're testing out some cool night vision binoculars and keeping an eye on our property. This is the Night Thunder X3 from VisioGear. It has 3 different levels of night vision and even a full color mode, allowing you to see far into the night. And these night vision binoculars come shipped to your door, ready for you to explore the night as well. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a USB-C to C charging cable, a 32GB micro SD card, a microfiber cleaning cloth, a padded neck strap, and then your night vision binoculars. The back has an LCD screen viewfinder, and the front has an IR lens, flashlight, and a 25mm lens and focus wheel. On top, you have all of your buttons. The side has a flip-out plug, covering a charge port and a micro SD card slot. Then the bottom has a tripod mount, as well as rubber feet. Push and hold the power button to boot up the camera. Then you can click the M button to navigate the menu and adjust your settings. I personally turned off the sound and turned down the screen brightness so I could be more incognito. Then you can single press the power button to cycle through photo and video mode, as well as a review mode. The button with the sun on it switches between standard view, full color night mode, and 3 levels of night vision. You can click the plus and minus to zoom in and out digitally, and click OK to take a picture or record video. Then it even has an SOS flashlight button, a normal flashlight button, and a stealth mode button that turns off the lights on the buttons. It's powered by a 5000 mAh battery, giving you long usage times. It states it can operate from 10 to 18 hours depending on your settings. So I went out to my hunting blind and gave it a test. I zoomed in on a groundhog in the backyard, and the quality isn't bad, but it's so zoomed in that the camera shakes are amplified. So I mounted it to a tripod to help stabilize the shot and waited till nighttime. The first thing that I saw was a field full of fireflies, and that was really cool to see. Then I looked the other way and saw some eyes glowing from a bunny off in the distance. And I skirted away trying to get a better shot. But then I saw another bunny out front, so it's all good. I took a minute to check out the moon, and that was pretty cool as well. Then I did some stargazing, and I found this really interesting. It's so humid here right now that when you crank up the night vision level, it reveals the humidity in the air. Wild. I was also trying to focus in on this planet when I noticed one of the stars moving slowly. It went across the sky in a straight line and then disappeared at that planet. Take it as you will, but I didn't hear any plane noises or anything. Definitely a weird capture. After, I went into the woods to see if I could find any more eyes glowing. And the first thing I noticed was how you can focus up close as well. The lens is f1.4, so it has a really shallow depth of field, and you can easily set the focus where you want. I panned to the side and got a cool shot of a spider looking at me. Then on the walk back, our farm cat came up to say hi. And our house cats were in the window waiting to say hi as well. Later on that night, I saw a raccoon in the window. He wasn't afraid of me, so I turned on the strobe light, and that did the trick. The next day, I looked outside, and there was a woodpecker at the bird feeder. So I sat out and did some bird watching. The woodpecker didn't come back, but was still cool to see the birds up close. Overall, I'm really impressed with these night vision binoculars. It's the first one I've tested, so I can't say how it compares to others, but I really like this one. I love how the animal eyes reflect at night, making them really easy to spot. The picture and video quality is pretty good, especially when you stabilize it, so I have no complaints. So if you're looking for some night vision binoculars, this pair from VisioGear might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go do some more stargazing and see if there's anything else weird in the sky. See ya.